What's going on?
Well, for a few, probably an hour.
Oh, it's a northern pike.
Northern.
It's a pike. It's a pike.
How do you know?
I know. Hold on. It's a pike. Oh my God, how are we gonna get her out? Look how big that northern is. Keep doing it. No, keep doing that. Hold on, keep doing it. Keep doing it. That's okay. Keep bringing her over here. Keep your pole low. Keep your pole low. It's okay. Just keep fighting her. Holland, and what in the world happened?
No, I just threw that thing and bang.
So you cast the bait and what'd you get? Look how big that northern is. Give me a smile, dude. Huh? Lift her up. Oh my God, look at this, people. Wow. How do you feel?